you can see the place. The rural people produce the salt here. Okay. মানুষ এখানকার মানুষ এই জায়গাগুলোতে অর্থাৎ জোয়ারের পানি যখন আসে তখন পানিটাকে ওই যে একটি বাঁধ দেখা যাচ্ছে ওই বাঁধে আটকে দেয়, যার দরুন পানিটা আর যেতে পারে না, লবণাক্ত পানিটা এখানে থেকে যায় এবং সেখান থেকেই মূলত লবণটা প্রডিউস করে থাকে। ঠিক আছে, এবং বাচ্চারা কি সুন্দর খেলছে। দ্য কিডস আর প্লেয়িং। ইজ ইট ইউর ক্রেডল? এটা কি তোমার দোল না এটা? হ্যাঁ, তুমি আমার কথা বুঝো বুঝো বুঝো। And you may see over there the three kids. One is a spectator and another one is just moving. তোমার বাড়ি কোনটা বাবু? ওইটা তোমার বাড়ি? ওকে, এনে কি লবণ চাষ করে নে? তুমি লবণ তৈরি করো, চাষ করো, তুমি পারো না? ঠিক আছে, কে পারে? হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, ওকে। হ্যাঁ, ভালো লাগে এখানে থাকতে? শহরে যেতে ইচ্ছা করে তোমার? শহরে যেতে ইচ্ছা করে না? শুধু এখানে থাকতেই ভালো লাগে? হ্যাঁ, তোমার মোবাইল আছে? মোবাইল নাই? তোমাদের বাসায় কারো মোবাইল আছে? ছোট মোবাইল আছে, ঠিক আছে। এদিকে তাকাও, হাই টাটা বলে দিয়ে দাও একটু সবাইকে। Oh, here is my friend Tusha. Oh, Tusha, so you are in a new place and maybe you are enjoying a lot. So can you just share with us the feelings that what type of feelings you are facing? Please go on.
Actually, this is the first time I visit the.
I'm visiting. Okay.
I'm visiting the salt.
How to produce the salt in this place?
This place. So,
And you have never seen this type of place in your life before?
Yeah. And, I'm enjoying the environment very nice. So thank you all of my friend who is joined with me. Thanks all.
Okay, so if you have any opportunity to build up a house in this place, like as a rural place and this nature, will you make a castle or a house for your living with your wife or your family in the next future?
Actually, I'm not interested to build a house in this place because there is no opportunity to get a job in this place. Like government job or government place, but there is many place to produce like kind of
Sharif, I
salt,
want to speak with you. Please
and
come here.
Chingri.
Okay.
Chingri. So actually, I am not interested to build a house in this place. Actually.
Okay, thanks a lot for giving your opinion. Okay. Oh, do you want to say something about the kids that they are just having fun with their mates?
Actually, they are very smart. You see, because in this age, they are capable and they are able to do different kinds of work like salt produce and other
But
works.
I asked one girl that can you produce the salt? She answered me no, she can't. Okay, but she maybe knows the procedure that how to produce the salt from the nature, and she knows about all
all the
process, but she can't produce this. Okay.
There may be another person in his family to produce the salt. For this reason, he has not to come in this place.
Oh, do you know that you are looking handsome? You are looking
Of course,
stunning.
I'm always handsome and
Yeah.
very handsome guy.
Okay,
you know.
if I propose you that this woman you can see in this video, will you get married to her? If you have the opportunity, if I just say to that person that my friend wants to get marry you, are you agree with this
Actually
proposal?
not,
Will you marry her?
Actually not.
Why?
Because Mary is very
Come here.
a professional and very big decision. So I can't
Great
take
decision?
Yes.
Or tough
and,
decision? Okay.
and so I can't take this great decision within a few seconds.
Okay, do you want to say something about the houses of this rural countryside area in this place? Do you want to say something about the lifestyle? In a few words, in a sentence or two words, two sentences, okay?
First of all, they are very poor compared to Dhaka city or semi-rural.
Okay.
And second one is they are very active and hardworking person.
Yeah,
As
I know.
as you see that they're
As you can see,
yes, you can see that they're very
this place is really very slippery, okay?
oh they are depends on their agriculture and
Come here.
other activities. So I tell that they are
In very short, please.
actually this
You're,
place
you're
is very-
killing the time of my video.
this place is for poor person
Yeah.
actually and hardworking person also.
But you can see over there is a house which is made of bricks, okay, and it is maybe two-storied building. So what will you say about this? A owner of two-storied building, is he a poor man? Is he a poor guy?
I will deliver a sentence for this building. This is Gobore.
এপাশে দাঁড়া, এদিকে দাঁড়া।
This is Gobore Padmapul because all these houses made by mud English ki?
Mud, mati.
Oh, mud. Made by mud. But only one building this is made by bricks. So you can tell this Gobore Padmapul. So
Do you know the English of Gobore Padmapul? A primrose on a dunghill. Yes.
time is gonna downhill.
After maybe 3 or 4 years later, that a primrose on a dunghill, that I'm going to just recall this proverbs I learned when I was a student of admission test of DUET. All the time I learned that, okay? And for the second time, I'm going to apply in a sentence. Okay, Tushar, একটা টাটা তো বলে দিবি নাকি আমাদেরকে?
Thank you.
Hey, another blogger is Sharif Ahmed, the TikToker, okay?
আমি তোমার একটা ইন্টারভিউ নিব এখন।
I'm going to just make some questions to you.
Why obviously why not?
তুমি আমার ভিডিও করছো কেন?
Yes, you are
Taking my video?
my video. I am also taking your video.
Okay, no problem. So, can you see what this phone is?
This is an iPhone.
Okay. So, and your phone?
This is iPhone Pro Max.
I'm really.
Any problem?
No, I don't have any problem. Okay, so I have no interest to answer your questions. Like as you, a silly guy. Okay.
And see the sun.
Nature is beautiful. The sky is overcast with a cloud, and the sun is shining. Okay.